Right. Then we have this nice lady here with a nice name called Ida. Have we heard of her? Nope. Hmm? Oh, you are the only one. Otherwise, everybody hasn't heard about this beautiful lady. Okay, let's see. Now, Ida, okay, right. Ida is actually representing the way yourself you go through to buy things. So there are the stages, okay, that the customers go through when they are buying things. Okay, so they are very important to understand those stages because that's the way you develop your marketing communication. Okay, so this here is okay, it's called IDA model. So this is IDA model of marketing communication. It's trying to understand how customers make buying decisions. Yeah, can
Mm-hmm.
you see? Are you
Yeah.
able to see? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's called IDA model. Yeah, it's IDA model of marketing communication. It's commonly used for marketing communication. Okay. So you can see there, all right? Now, where it says attention, yeah, you add awareness. Okay. So attention stroke awareness. Okay. Those are interchangeable. Okay. So if you see awareness, yeah, it means attention.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So A stands for awareness. Okay. And B, you have interest, which is I. And then D, you have desire. And then you buy. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so first, you need to know that chocolate does actually exist. Okay, so you are aware. So that's always what we need to do. When we have got a product we want to introduce into the market, the first is to make people aware. So we attract the attention of the people, tell them that this particular product does exist. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right? So once you are aware that the product does exist, you need to develop interest in that particular product. Now, developing interest will mean you will understand, trying to know what the product does, yeah, okay, and how useful is it, what benefits is going to give you, okay,
Mm-hmm.
right? And once you have developed that interest, the next you need to desire that product. So you say, wow, yeah, definitely, I like it. I think I will try to use it, okay. And the next you need to do is buy it. So the action there is buying the product. Okay. So therefore, if these are the processes or stages, which sometimes they are called the consumer buying behavior. So stages that consumers go through to buy the product, they'll help us to develop our marketing communication strategy. What sort of messages we need to put in the marketing communication? So if we know these are our new customers, we have just introduced the product into the market, we are not going to be asking them to buy. No, we are going to be asking them to know that the product does exist. So our messages will be more to do with awareness, to attract attention to them. Okay. Once we know that they are aware, then the next message we'll put in is try to make them understand what the product does, how is it packaged, what benefits can they get from it. The idea is we want to develop interest, so they can develop interest into the product. And once they have developed the interest in it, they will desire that particular product. So in the desiring stage, then we are trying to persuade them that they are going to buy. Okay. And initially, finally, they will buy the product. So these are the stages, and this is called IDA model marketing communication. Follow?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's my beautiful girlfriend. I like her name. That is Ida. Okay, let's get back. So that was question 18. Yeah? Okay, so the acronym IDA stands for awareness, interest, desire, and action. Okay, so awareness, interest, desire, action. Therefore, the answer is
See.
what? See.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have to, they want you to write notes about IDA, they should be able to write about it. Okay, and how useful is it? Okay, it's very useful when you are developing a marketing communication. So if you're going to be a marketing communication manager, these are the things you'll be doing. Okay, so what is the aim of your marketing communication? this advertising you have, is it to raise awareness, or is it to develop interest in your customers, or is it to develop desire, or you want them to buy the product? So messages are going to differ depending what your objective is of your advertising. Okay.
Mhm.